wait before you skip this, because I'm about to share something that's been a total game changer for me, and it's ridiculously simple: the bedtime gelatin trick. You know how sometimes you just want to wake up feeling refreshed and, well, less puffy? That's exactly what this little ritual has been doing for me, and I'm excited to pass it on. The gelatin trick is all about mixing up a special concoction before bed, using just a few basic ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen, and letting it work its magic overnight. As I started doing the gelatin trick regularly, I noticed that my mornings were becoming a lot more pleasant. I'd wake up without that bloated feeling, and my energy levels would be way more stable throughout the day. It's like my body was getting a little head start on the whole digestion thing, and it was making a big difference. So, if you're curious about trying the bedtime gelatin trick for yourself, be sure to check out the link in my description below for all the details, and take a look at the pinned comment, where I've shared some additional tips to get you started with the gelatin trick. Give it a shot and see how it goes. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised at the overnight results you can get from this simple gelatin trick.